Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about second sunlight reviews. Friends, watch this video till end because in this video you'll get to know about the pros of ultimate device, which is second sun LED light. Guys, are you feeling dark with your household light bulbs in your living room? And are you looking for bright light options for your home? If yes, then we have something for you, which is Second Sunlight, and it is a compact and portable ultra bright 4 panel COB LED light that fills up every corner of your space with pure white sunlight instantly. So this is an amazing light that comes with extraordinary features, and it is relatively popular product in the entire global. So guys, with the help of this product, you can get rid of darkness problems in your living room or in your space. So let's check out the specifications of this light. So guys, you can see it comes with ultra bright 4 panel COB LED light and it lasts for 50,000 hours. It comes with 4 adjustable panels as well, and you can get 360-degree lighting options by using this light. You can save your money and the environment as well, and it is really very easy to install. So these are the specifications of this LED light. Now let's check out the pros of ultimate LED light. Guys, you can also see the company is offering 50% discount on this light. So this is an amazing thing. You can grab this opportunity or deal easily. Guys, this Second Sun uses premium components in their manufacturing for superior craftsmanship and durability. And the company is also offering 30 days return policy, which is a great thing. You can get Second Sun delivered straight to your home. It's very simple to use and requires virtually no setup. So these are the benefits that you can get from Second Sun LED light. Now let's check out the extraordinary pros of this device. So yes guys, this ultimate LED light lasts for 50,000 hours. It means that 11.4 years if it ran 12 hours a day. So this is an amazing thing. Apart from that, this device or this light is affordable as you can get up to 50% off on this LED light. You can save your money and environment as well. Apart from that, Second Sunlight has a sleek contemporary fan design combined with a strong solid structure. It is adjustable as well. You can adjust the light according to your need or requirement. So guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Apart from that, this portable device, ultra bright LED, packs in 6000 lumens of lighting power into its 4 COB panels. And its 360-degree fan structure can give you pure light into every corner of your space or your room. Now talking about the usage process of this ultimate LED light, so all you need to do is remove your old light bulb, insert your Second Sun into your light socket and twist until it's tight. And then guys, you need to fold and adjust the light panels in whatever direction works best for you. So you can adjust this light according to your need. Now guys, after exploring the features of ultimate LED light, it is clear that there is nothing like Second Sun LED light. And talking about Second Sun light reviews, we have found positive reviews and 4.6 rating out of 5 on the official website. You can take a look at the testimonials of the verified customers, and guys, one of the customers said, "It is the perfect LED light. I used it to set up a small workshop in my garden shed. It's absolutely ideal. Lighting clear, crystal clear, and I can adjust it if I need to go. So big thumbs up." Guys, you can find special offer on this device if you buy this product now. And if you really want to purchase Second Sun LED light, then you need to visit the official website, which is getsecondsun.com. And guys, you can find the official website's link in the description given below. And if you buy Second Sunlight light, then you can get huge offers today. Now let's check out the entire information. So guys, if you want to make a purchase, then you need to visit this option, and here you can find the packages as well. You can buy 3 second sun light and you can save up to 51%, or you can also buy 1 second sunlight, you can save 35%. You can buy 2 second sunlight, you can save your 35%, and you can buy 4 second sunlight and you can save your 55% of money. So this is an amazing thing. You can get huge discount on this product as the company is offering direct 50% off. Apart from that, guys, you can see the company is also offering 30-day money back guarantee, which is an amazing thing. And you can make the payment via online modes of payment. You can see they have mentioned that all pricing is in United States dollars. Apart from that, you can also read verified customers reviews on this section or web page as well. So guys, hurry up now. Your 50% discount can apply if you want to purchase this second sunlight now. So I hope you enjoy this second sunlight reviews. So guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.